what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by giving a pull like this, because it's gonna naturally want to fall over. This is the area we're concerned with. How is our stretch gonna be? Are we gonna have too much stretch and then have it kick?
Okay.
But I want it to naturally snap too.
Right.
Does it make sense?
Mm-hmm. I'm covered.
Okay, you're covered because you're pinching it down. This can come up to there. There. We've got all the fingers there and barely any here. We need it in the middle. Because what's going to happen is it's going to be the stretch going this way that gets things fixed. Maybe me dropping a little. No, I can't drop it anymore. This is the stretch right here. So we need even disbursement top to bottom. There we go. That's what we need right there. I'm not going to overcommit to anything yet because, well, this is all quite. Right now it's just kind of like relaxing, seeing what we got. Like that. What we got? We're in a no move position. Start relaxing this one a little bit. Hold tight, relax. Okay, we're ready to go again. It's just a slight pull. You'll be pulling apart, just like that. Okay. There you go. Perfect. 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 Pull what you got. That's exactly what we need, man. Money. Well, there's going to be some. Well, if you see silver, let me know.
Right. I think this is some.
Believe it to be a deal breaker kind of thing, or is it just kind of like, hey, heads up?
It's subtle, but it lets them go.
When you did the
You want me to bag the whole rest of the car off?
that'll probably take way less time than re-cleaning the whole car.
Yeah.
What we do here is go back.